Many of my friends and relatives know that I love cycling, and for those of you who don't know why I love cycling, this is why.
It's about 7 a.m. in the morning. It's pretty cold outside, maybe 13-12 degrees Celsius. All this waking up in the morning thing, it's pretty punishing sometimes. And unlike yesterday, which I had like 12 hours of sleep, this time I had like maybe three hours of sleep only. I guess that's a sign that my body clock isn't quite adjusted to this new time zone. I have a massive ride planned for today. Nothing's gonna stop me from doing it.
It's about 8 o'clock now in the morning. It's still pretty chilly. So now I'm on my way to the subway station or metro station. It's still very cold. You can see I'm shivering already. Hopefully the subway station, hopefully the trains are quieter and nicer today in the morning. It's gonna be a big ride. I'm gonna do some climbing, and then hopefully I'll come back down before sunset. And then I can do some shopping or walking around. Actually, I need to do some shopping. I need to get a new GoPro mount because this one here is it's about to meet its maker. Right here we are. This is how the neighborhood looks like. Seems pretty nice in the day, but at night I wouldn't want to be hanging around these areas. And in front, that is the Griffith Observatory. Things are really starting to warm up now. I'm outside the train station. It looks pretty good in the day, but at night it's a totally different story. It still smells funky though. I think that it smells funky 24 hours, 7 days a week. When it comes to feeling safe, or do you feel pleasant? It feels a lot better in the day. See this and that? That people pee inside elevators here. It's disgusting. Absolutely disgusting.
See those mountains there?
That's where I'm heading.
Hey, I'm now on Glendora Mountain Road. This road would take me all the way up Mount Baldy. Met a few cyclists earlier. They were part of a cycling event. Ooh, I can feel the climb. Right, I'm gonna focus on my climbing now. Got a long way to go.
Je suis tombé amoureux du soleil dès qu'il s'est jeté sur mes pieds. Collectionnais les histoires.
I still got a long way to go, but I just stopped, just for a photo break because the view is pretty good from here. The climb is okay, to be honest, but the weather is really dry, so I'm actually very dehydrated right now, and I don't want to use up my water because I think I've got a long way to go. So I'm just gonna do it slow, nice and slow, easy ride, not pushing anything because I'm only gonna be here once. I don't want to go out.
Amoureux des étoiles, puisqu'elles ont bien voulu briller. Pour nous deux, depuis les premiers jours, scintillantes, elles ont fini par filer. Balayer l'espoir de nos rêves édulcorés, briser le miroir de nos idéaux fanés. Je ne vais pas t'en vouloir, mais laisser le train filer. Je ne vais pas te revoir, juste essayer d'avancer. Je ne sais pas qui t'a donné des ailes, celles qui pour moi papillonnaient. Si seulement j'avais su prédire qu'avec elle t'allais t'envoler. Balayer l'espoir de nos rêves édulcorés, briser le miroir de nos idéaux fanés. Je ne vais pas t'en vouloir, mais laisser le train filer. Je ne vais pas te revoir, juste essayer d'avancer.
Alright, cool. Thank you. Pleasure meeting you.
Good job for you. Honor. Okay. Take care, bud.
Thank you. Yeah. I'll look you up on Strava.
Okay. Well, that's the Ken dog now. Shouldn't be hard to find. The one and only.
See ya. I'm not at the top of Mount Baldy yet. I just got past the village, and then I think behind me will be the torturous switchbacks. I don't think I will attempt the switchbacks today because it's kind of late now. If I do, I am not sure if I can, go back just before sunset. So I guess my journey to Mount Baldy ends here, just past the bridge. So yeah, I think I did some pretty good climbs today. Met very nice people along the way. I'm gonna head back down. Hopefully I'll arrive in LA before it gets really dark and dangerous. getting pretty late now. Sun is setting really fast. I just had to stop because this view is just gorgeous. Temperature is getting really cold. You can see the snot coming out from my nose. A little bit of sunshine, amazing. But I know the sunshine is not gonna last because very soon I'll be heading down. The temperature has dropped a lot. Which is why I have my jacket on, because I think from here on out it's mostly downhill. It's just downhill all the way until sea level, and I think I might get sick. So I've got my jacket. I guess I'm all set for the really fast downhill section, and cold, very cold.
Silent nights recalling you, a souvenir of what it could be. Pieces of my mind are yours. I forgot the parts I'm missing. I pretend that we are okay, like nothing's ever broken. And I pretend that we are dancing, like the nights are never
Done with my second day of riding in LA. Went up the hill, went down, got lost a bit at the final stretch. Eventually I found my way. I'm now at the train station and my train is just arriving. So I can't wait to go back. I'm hoping to get like a burger and I'm just gonna annihilate the burger. So that's my life on the metro. And this is me signing out.